Hi, this is Chris Rauschnut24K on Instagram and 24K on Twitter. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and of course thumbs up. Today we're taking a look at the Tranya H10 hybrid active noise canceling headphones with Qualcomm aptX technology, aptX HD technology. Look at that, an actual case for the headphones. We're looking at you, Apple. So here are the headphones. They're actually pretty light, so they don't have any of that extra unnecessary added weight. Obviously they turn and they fold to fit in. This is the active noise canceling button. Here's the volume buttons right here. Your 3.5 millimeter corded port if you want to use it that way, USB-C charging port, and your power button right here. It has multiple modes of ANC, so you can have full ANC, you can have transparency ANC, and then you can have it turned off. So multiple modes there. They include all of the cords that you would need to charge and connect here. Some paperwork right there. And then we're going to get to what this has to offer. So here's some information. You can pause this video anytime and take a look. It has 4 microphones, ambient mode supported, swivel folding design, which you saw, and then some final information right here. High definition sound. We like it. We've tried the ANC and the transparency mode. It works really well. And this is from Tranya. This is the H10 hybrid active noise canceling headphones.